to today's video, where I'll be quick sharing some incredibly useful free tools that can transform your YouTube channel in 2025. These resources will help you create more professional content, grow your audience faster, and save countless hours of work, all without spending a dime. Before we dive in, make sure to join my Telegram channel, where I share all the prompts I use in my videos and offer one-on-one coaching with my team. And most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Let's start with thumbnail optimization. One of the biggest challenges creators face is making thumbnails that look great on all devices. Thumbnail.com solves this problem by letting you preview how your thumbnail appears across different YouTube layouts before uploading. Simply visit the site, upload your design, enter your video title, and instantly see how it will look on YouTube's homepage, search results, and mobile interfaces. This simple step can dramatically improve your click-through rates. Next is Adobe Express's MP4 to GIF converter, which is perfect for creating engaging teasers of your videos for social media promotion. These eye-catching GIFs can significantly boost your presence on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and Instagram stories. The process is straightforward. Upload your video clip to Adobe Express, trim it to highlight the most interesting moments, convert it to a GIF, and share it across your platforms to drive more traffic to your full videos. Understanding what your audience and competitors' audiences are talking about is crucial for content planning. The YouTube Comment Finder tool helps you discover audience pain points, questions, and trending topics across videos in your niche. For example, if we visit a popular channel discussing money-making strategies, we can copy the video link, paste it into the comment finder, and search for specific keywords like money. This instantly shows us all comments containing that term, providing valuable insight into what viewers are interested in. Audio quality can make or break your video's retention rate. Adobe Podcast's enhanced voice tool is a game changer that makes your voice sound like it was recorded in a professional studio, regardless of your actual recording environment. Simply upload your audio file to the site, and within minutes, you'll have crystal clear, professional-sounding narration that keeps viewers engaged throughout your content. For content strategy, it's helpful to know how audiences truly respond to videos. The Return YouTube Dislike browser extension reveals the number of dislikes on videos, which YouTube has hidden from public view. This gives you valuable feedback about what content works and what doesn't in your niche. Install it through the Chrome Web Store by searching Return YouTube Dislike and clicking Add to Chrome. SEO is the invisible force that drives discovery on YouTube. RapidTag.io helps you generate optimal tags for your videos, ensuring they reach the right audience. Just enter your video topic or title on the site, and within seconds, you'll receive targeted tags you can add to your upload. This simple step can significantly increase your video's visibility in search results and suggested videos. Research is fundamental to creating valuable content, and Perplexity AI streamlines this process beautifully. Instead of jumping between multiple websites for information, Perplexity gathers and summarizes the best content from across the web. For instance, searching for best phones in 2025 will quickly deliver comprehensive, sourced information that would otherwise take hours to compile manually. The tool even provides direct links to sources if you need to explore specific points in greater depth. Adding professional sound effects can elevate your production quality dramatically. Freesound.org offers thousands of copyright-free sound effects that add life and dimension to your videos. Whether you need ambient background noises, transitions, or special effects, you can search their massive library, preview sounds, download what you need, and incorporate them directly into your editor. ChatGPT has become an essential tool for content creators. This powerful AI assistant can help generate video ideas, craft compelling titles and descriptions, create video tags, write scripts, and solve various content-related challenges. The versatility of ChatGPT makes it invaluable for brainstorming sessions, overcoming creative blocks, and streamlining your production workflow. For visually stunning thumbnails and custom graphics, Leonardo AI generates high-quality images from simple text descriptions. This AI image generator is particularly useful for creating unique visuals that stand out in crowded search results. Whether you need concept art, character designs, backgrounds, or product mock-ups, Leonardo.ai can produce professional quality visuals that would otherwise require advanced graphic design skills. Finally, for creators looking to produce content efficiently, Invido allows you to create complete videos using just text input. This platform offers ready-made templates, script-to-video tools, stock footage, and customizable elements that make video production accessible even without editing experience. It's particularly valuable for news channels, educational content, or fact-based videos where information delivery is the primary focus. These powerful, completely free tools can revolutionize your YouTube strategy in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this information helpful, please support the channel by liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell for more creator resources and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.